Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel NM Vlogs and ISC BSc Botany Study Care. So this is my new video in Archegoniads. Okay, so today I am going to tell something about Bryophyta. You all are know about Bryophyta in your previous class or in your previous class in school level 9th or 10th. So first I am discuss about what is the meaning of Bryophyta actually. Okay. So the first term is Bryophyta. So the word Bryophyta comes from the two words or two terms, that is bryo and phyta. So what is the meaning of bryo and what is the meaning of phyta? Okay. So today the topic is Bryophyta. So first is, what is the meaning of bryo? Bryo means moss and phyta means the plant. So Bryophyta is the moss types of plant. Okay. So bryo means moss and phyta means the plant. So commonly Bryophyta means the moss plant. In my previous video, one student can be tell me, ma'am, please say about the moss and liverworts. Okay. So in this video, you have knew that what is the meaning of moss. Moss means bryo. Moss means in our Odia, Shuddha Odia re amta kohuche siuli. Okay. So moss. This is the Bryophyta. And also liverworts is also the Bryophyta, in the group of Bryophyta. So, and we all know that the plant kingdom can be classified into two types. I already tell about in my previous video, that is Cryptogam and Phanerogams. Cryptogam is a non-flowering plant and Phanerogam is flowering plant. So Cryptogam can be classified into three types, that is Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. So here Bryophyta is present. So Bryophyta can be undergoes in Cryptogams. That means Bryophyta is a non-flowering plant. Here flower cannot be produced. Okay. Bryophyta is higher than Thallophyta, but Bryophyta is not a higher plant. It's also a smaller plant but higher than Thallophyta. Okay. And we all know that here rhizoid is present. I already tell about rhizoids. Rhizoids are the root-like structure, but the function is equal, but the structure is different. Root and rhizoids. Okay. I already tell about Englor. In 1886, Englor said that the higher level of Thallophyta is undergoes the embryophyta. Here embryo is present. Okay. So Bryophyta is one type of embryophyta. Why Bryophyta is the one type of embryophyta? Because of Bryophyta is higher than Thallophyta. So higher Thallophyta plant is known as embryophyta. This is according to Englor. Englor, one of the biologists who said that higher level of Thallophyta is known as embryophyta in 1886. Okay. And the second main point is Bryophyta are first non-vascular plant. That means here Bryophyta is not a vascular plant. That means here xylem and phloem is totally absent. So Bryophyta is non-vascular plant. So Bryophyta is non-vascular plant. Here xylem and phloem is totally absent. Okay. In other words, Bryophyta is also know that amphibians plant kingdom. So what is the meaning of amphibians? Frog is the amphibia. Why frog is amphibia? Because of frog is live both aquatic medium, land medium and inside the soil. So Frog is amphibia, the group of in the family of amphibia. But why Bryophyta is the amphibian plant kingdom? Because of Bryophyta both developed in aquatic medium and as well as in land or terrestrial medium. So Bryophyta is amphibian in nature, or this is all otherwise known as amphibian plant kingdom. Amphibian plant kingdom. So this is the introduction of Bryophyta. Okay, this is the introduction of Bryophyta. Then come to the unifying feature. So why we have studied the silent feature or unifying features? Because of various types of or various kinds of plant are available in our world. But how we have identified this is the Bryophyta, this is the Thallophyta, this is the Pteridophyta, and this is the Gymnosperm. So silent feature totally say about the character of this kind of plant, that is Bryophyta. So now I have discussed about the silent feature of Bryophyta. How we can be identify that this plant is the group of Bryophyta. Okay. So now discussed about the silent feature of Bryophyta. So first character is the Bryophytes or the Bryophyta are, all the Bryophytes are terrestrial in nature. That means these are the land plant. Okay. First is terrestrial nature or land plant. Land plant. The second point is the life cycle is heterologous haplodiploidic types of life cycle. Heterologous means they are totally different, not homologous. They were heterologous. So the life cycle is haplodiploidic. So life cycle is heterologous haplodiploidic types of life cycle in case of Bryophytes. In case of Bryophytes. Okay. And these are gametophytes types of plant body, because of they have produced or they have independently produced gametes. So they are gametophytes plant body. So they are gametophytes plant body. And also the Bryophyta can be the plant body or the plant body of Bryophyta can be divided into or can be classified into three types. That is axis, then leaves and rhizoids. Okay, and rhizoids. And the outermost of Bryophyta can be covered with jacket. So they are, or the Bryophyta are jacketed types of plant body. They have jacketed types of, so they are jacketed types of plant body. And the sexual reproduction is oogamous. That means in case of Bryophyta or in case of Bryophytes, they have reproduced sexually in oogamous. Okay, or the sexual reproduction is oogamous types of reproduction. So Bryophyta is oogamous types of sexual reproduction. Then the sporophyte is usually differentiated into food, seta and capsule. So the sporophyte is usually differentiated into food, seta and capsule. Food, seta and capsule. Okay. The capsule produce haploid spores, and the spore are and these spore are similar types of spore, and that is known as Homosporos. Homo means same. So the capsule produce haploid spores. These spores are similar types, and this is known as Homosporos. Okay. Now this three term is very important. The Bryophyta or the bryophytes are classified into these classes or such classes, and these are Hepaticae. This is liveroids. Okay. Then Anthocerotae, that is hornoids. Then Muci, that is mosses. Okay. So these three are important classifiers of Bryophyta or bryophytes. Okay. So student, this is all about of introduction of bryophytes, and second is silent feature of bryophytes. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. And if you can't understand my language, or if you can't understand my teaching style, then please write in comment. Then I have tried to solve your problems. So student, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Don't be forget to tap the bell icon for my other notification. So please always give story, because of story is our first priority. Without story we have nothing, or we have not possible. So story is very important for us, not only for us, obviously for us. So always give story and see my video, then like, share and subscribe. So student, thanks and bye. See you in my next video. So thanks.